Did you know that over 85% of catastrophic engine failures can be traced back to improper cold starts? That's right. The average driver is looking at $4,200 in preventable engine damage over the lifetime of their vehicle, all because of how they treat their car in those first critical minutes. Dealerships and repair shops hate when mechanics like me share these secrets, but I believe car owners deserve to know the truth. Let's dive in. Here's the first mistake: cranking the engine repeatedly when it doesn't start immediately. I get it. It's frustrating when your car doesn't fire up right away on a cold morning. You keep turning the key or pushing the start button repeatedly, hoping persistence will win. But here's what's actually happening inside your engine during those attempts. Each time you crank the engine, the starter motor is forcing your pistons to move up and down with minimal oil protection. Your battery is already operating at reduced,